Hello everybody! Today we're going to explore timelines in Campfire Pro. Campfire Pro's timelines can help you plot out your story from a bird's eye view. You can create events, arrange them as you need, and link them to their characters and locations. To create a timeline, just click Add in the sidebar, name your timeline at the top, and leave a short description. You can add events by right-clicking and hitting Add Event, or you can click Add Element at the bottom. Give it a name and a short description. Much like in relationship webs, you can color code the connections between the events, but here the colors are in the right-hand sidebar. Just click the box to assign the color and give it a name. Now connections you make will appear as that color. Remember that the order of the events in the sidebar represent chronological order and won't change if you switch the order on the timeline itself. You can also create dividers to organize your story. You can label dividers and rotate them by right-clicking. Double-click on events to add panels to them. Here you can describe your event and link to other pages in Campfire Pro. There is the basic info panel. This panel's information will appear on the event in the timeline view. You can fill out its place in time, whether or not it's an event that happens on screen, its magnitude, and the color of the event's border on the timeline. Click the link in the top right for an explanation of the other types of panels. If you don't want the basic information to be visible, you can resize the event to hide it by grabbing the bottom right corner. You can nest timelines by dragging and dropping in the sidebar. That will place a panel representing the nested timeline inside of the parent timeline. Double-clicking on a nested timeline will open it. Change the line types by right-clicking the line to cycle through the different line styles. If you go to Campfire, then Preferences, under Timeline, you can set a default line type. You can also change the curviness of the lines by inputting a number between 1 and 500. 1 is least curvy, 500 is max curve. That's it for timelines. Thanks for watching.